couple of stocks to start your day with, and the first one is Reliance Industries, where the government has imposed an additional penalty of $792 million on the company for producing less than the targeted natural gas output from the eastern offshore block in the KG-D6 basin, and this penalty takes the overall penalty to about $1.8 billion, which has been levied on the company for the output shortfall in natural gas production. The second one is Bombay Dyeing, where the Bombay High Court on Wednesday has upheld the company's contention in the mill land development project, and the Bombay High Court, as part of this, has asked the company to hand over 66,651 square meters of land only at a single location in Wadala, which is at Spring Mills, and this is compared to the earlier order where the company was asked to hand over 52,000 square meters in Wadala and 12,000 in Lower Parel, so the company can now move ahead with its redevelopment plans. The markets witnessed a choppy session for most part of Wednesday and then plunged in the last 30 minutes of trade, with Nifty slipping 1.3% and closing at day's low as the profit booking intensified under the immense selling pressure after a 3-day rally. So the lenders, which had earlier been the prominent gainers over the last 3-4 sessions, wilted under the immense sell-off, and similar was the case with the oil and gas stocks as well as the capital goods space. Among the stocks which were most active in trade, you had Bank of India, Bharat Petroleum and Just Dial. Bank of India slid nearly 4% after a strong climb of more than 11% that it's had in the last 3 days. It turned out to be the leading loser on the CNX Bank Nifty, and that was also dragged down by very heavy volumes. Bharat Petroleum too declined nearly 3%, closing lower for the second consecutive day. It too was the top loser on the BSE Oil and Gas Index and was dragged down by 6-week high volumes, despite the fact that the oil minister said that the diesel prices could be completely deregulated over the next 6 months, and that still didn't have any positive rub-off on the oil and gas stocks. Lastly, Just Dial surged more than 15%, continuing its ascent for the fourth day on the trot, and it actually went on to hit fresh lifetime highs. So the vagaries of the market mood clearly seems to have no effect on the stock, as it's already gained 140% in the last 6 months. It turned out to be the top gainer on the BSE Midcap Index and was accompanied with the highest volume action over the last 1 month.